Hi, my name is Hafsa Rahman Ali and I'm a fourth year student at IHM. I'm currently studying Bachelor of Social Work and this is my final placement. I'm placed at Empowered Minds Australia in Truganina. It is a mental health and NDIS setting, so we're getting a bit of best of both worlds actually. I'm learning heaps of support coordination, navigating NDIS systems along with mental health. So far, I have shadowed with the psychologists and behavior therapists and worked with clients who have schizophrenia, autism, level 1 to level 3, intellectual disability, and heaps of other psychosocial disabilities. And coming face to face with such challenging clients and learning how to work with them has been very enlightening, and it's a huge learning experience. So far at Empowered Minds Australia, I have gotten quite confident with my documentation skills. I have been recording my documents on the SOAP template and receiving regular feedback from the social worker, and it's been quite helpful in my journey so far in becoming a confident social worker. Working with a huge team of different facilitators and allied health team, you learn that social work lens is actually quite similar as well as different from the other allied health team. So while you're working together with a psychologist, there's lots that you share while you have your own holistic approach, whereas psychologists can have most of a diagnostic or a medical approach. My learning experience at IHM so far has been amazing. We have a wide range of experienced and knowledgeable lecturers who are extremely supportive with students. Given that we have a smaller sized classrooms, works incredibly well with direct approach and approaching directly and having like a tight-knit learning experience. So each lecturer is involved quite interpersonally and directly with students. As a fourth year social work student nearing completion, I'm beyond excited for what comes after. I'm really excited to step into the field of social work, and so far the support that I've received from my placement coordinators, staff at IHM, lecturers, and even the host organization so far has been immensely great. I've received a lot of support, huge learning opportunities, and each little thing that has shaped me into who I'm going to be as a social worker.